Welcome back to another trade recap. Today I lost $417 trading MNQ. Let's get into it. All right, so first of all, P&L. This was the execution. This 2-minute inversion right here. P&L right here, 417 down. It's whatever. I think this was a pretty good setup, but I think there's some stuff to improve on it, but I'm just gonna get into it today. So overall, coming to today, it's probably gonna be a very short trade recap because I really don't have much to say. Overall, coming in today, we're bullish. We're so clearly bullish. We have this 4-hour internal low, this 1-hour internal low, and what I wanted to see off open, was, where's 930? What I wanted to see off open was price to come down. Where's my tools at? Right here. What I wanted to see off open was for price to come down into one of these PD arrays, come up, and then we take all-time highs. All-time highs are already, well, they got taken in pre-market. But yeah, that's basically all I wanted to see. Pretty simple day, pretty simple. Yeah, that's kind of it. All-time highs is pretty easy to trade. You just need to wait for a pullback, take a long. It's pretty much all you do every single time. So we have this 15-minute that forms at all-time highs. And then all I wanted to see was a pullback. And then I realized, wait a minute, a 30-minute unmitigated just formed. Now, although this is not on ES, I just wanted to play it safe and wait for this to get mitigated on NQ also, so that my stop loss didn't have a reason to get manipulated. So I was waiting for this 30 minutes to get filled. Waiting. 30-minute gets filled right here. And then I'm like, okay, what do I want to see? I want to see this placement. Now, I saw this inversion and I was like when I was about to enter, and I was like, oh my gosh. If you have to zoom in, it's not going to be a win. If you get an inversion and you have to zoom in, it's most likely not going to be a win. So then I wait for the next candle close, which is the 2-minute. And the 2-minute closes a little bit above it. We're having some resistance. I actually entered on the 1-minute. I was like, okay, I'm trying to still get a good reaction here. So I'm just going to enter off another 1-minute candle close. And then I went here, went stop loss at this low. And then TP at this high, was targeting about 125 points, and my break even didn't get hit. It's just an overall big L on the day, big L, but I think that it was a good setup. I can see how price would decide to come back down and run this low. Like I can see like the thought process behind that, because we do have London lows and Asia lows below. But I just thought, in my opinion, I was like, well, both of the fair value gaps are mitigated below, and although we have two like session lows below, I really don't think that it's gonna get ran. Like I just really didn't think it was gonna get ran. I really thought this was like A+, so I'm not really that upset about it. We're ending the week negative 220 on the week. I think that we should be positive 220 though, because the first W I took, that was 347, it should have been 660 because I should have held to the 4-hour unfilled. Yesterday, I shouldn't have had a loss. And today, I think that I would take this trade again. I really believe that this could play out. Although there's some trendline liquidity below, I think that in all-time highs condition, it's a little bit different. I'm like I feel like that's, you know what I'm saying? I'm not that upset about this loss, but I really don't have anything else to talk about, but I'm just gonna add a couple more things first because, oh no, I do. Okay, so today, this week, I should have been positive 250, 300, and negative 220. What do I learn from this? What do I learn? Find better RR plays and hold until you're proven wrong. So those are the 2 lessons for the week. I'm gonna journal this. I really think that I still am gonna stand on this. I feel like this is a good setup. And yeah, I thought this was gonna be longer. I'm trying to hit 8 minutes on here, but I really don't have much else to say. I mean, I think this was a pretty good, I think this was a good trade. Yeah, I think this was a good trade. Although I think that maybe I could have waited to take a mech model, considering the fact that we dumped so heavily. You know what I'm saying? We're in a pretty low discount of the range. So I think I could have maybe tried to see a resweep and then tried to take a mech model, but we end up just dumping. I think that overall the drawn liquidity today will be this high. Although we're chopping right now, we're gonna run this high. It's all-time highs condition. We're still going towards it, but yeah, that's gonna be it for today's trade recap. Hope y'all have a blessed day, and I will see y'all boys on Monday. We're gonna hit a banger. Let's go.